Welcome to Forever, man. Let's go. Come on. It's forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Evil Lair, which has always been a lie, and I apologize for that. Consider this my confession tape to you. This entire time, the Evil Lair was nothing more than a two-car garage. So for this Evil Lair project, and to make it up to you, there's years that I've been lying to you, we're going to make an Evil Lair. This is kind of what we're dealing with right now. Just stuff everywhere. Yeah. Let's get to it. This is how it's done.
Running for days. My body won't stop 'cause I know what it takes. Break down the dawn, feel the pain. Tragic if I listen to you with your sharp cigarettes and your too many rules.
guys, so let's do a quick tour of all that great work that we did. Gotta do some zoom in here. So first off, the old wood table is gone. And we got a 6-foot Craftsman table on that now, right? Pretty cool. And then over here, I love these kind of toolboxes. And this really helps out because it's got a power source built into it. And that can come in handy. And by the way, if anybody from Craftsman is watching this, and I don't know, maybe you're looking for a sponsor, somebody a little villainous. I'm just saying, I'm for sale, baby. I'm for sale. Alright. As you can tell, we painted the walls. This is, check this the name of this paint out. They're getting crazy with paint names. It's Phoenix Fossil. I don't even know what that means, but it sounds badass. And that was done by Lair. It is scuff proof, stain proof, wipeable, and it's even heat resistant up to like some minuscule amount of heat. Alright, so we did that all the way around. We didn't really change much over here. We highlighted everything in Craftsman red. Again, Craftsman, if you're listening, I love your red. It's pretty tight. Alright, but for most of everything, we just kind of cleaned everything up there. We didn't have to change too much. We turned that toolbox over there into a metalworking one. We updated the welder. Those have always been there. We've got all of our scrap steels and metals for different blacksmithing projects. All the dangerous chemicals and poisons and acids got moved over there, which makes sense now because I'm crazy. Now this is interesting. You're going to look at this and you'll be like, oh, of course you added that. But we got a new microwave. Yeah. New microwave. And then jewelry stuff, pickling juice for rings and gold, sand casting stuff, yada yada yada. Again, kind of this Phoenix Fossil and Craftsman red color. I'm really digging it. So yeah. So we'll make a few more changes as we go. I haven't decided if I'm going to put a shelf or villainous pictures everywhere. I'm still working on that, kind of the adornments and stuff. I'm still kind of playing with in my head. But seriously, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody out there. If you bought something from one of my dollar bin auctions, if you bought something from my eBay store, if you picked up some merch from the villainous merch in the link below, if you watch my channels, comment, thumbs up, and give me ideas. Seriously, I can't say thank you enough to everybody. This is something I've kind of always wanted. It's my own little evil lair. It's evil. It looks like a bunker. It's awesome. Right? And we got some more stuff coming. So definitely check out the videos. You're going to see some equipment coming in and out of here. And we got some crazy projects kind of lined up. Like crazy stuff. We might... dangerous stuff. Danger. It's good stuff. So before I part ways with you, I just want you to see the last few projects that actually happened here in the Evil Lair where we just used what we had and made it work. We really MacGyvered it. You'll get that joke in a second. But other than that, folks, I got nothing else. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. And thank you again.